Welcome, friends. Welcome to the Expert Options Reverse Trading Method. In this method, I'll show you how to use the Expert Options app to trade using reverse trading. That is, when a trade direction or the market trend shows upwards, you have to place a trade in the downward direction and vice versa. I've experimented on this, and this is the best way that works for me. And in this method, there are no indicators, it's just a simple line which shows you what to do when the market goes up or down. And I'll just place this as a 15-second trade. So let's get started. I'm just opening my Expert Options app, and let's see how it goes. Here it is, the Expert Options app. So right now you see I placed few random trades, and all of these have been done using the reverse strategy. And when I click the trends, I see Smarties in a sell mode. Right? So right now let us take a trade in the reverse direction, that is the buy mode, using a 15 seconds duration. So right now it's coming down, so we'll have to hit the buy button when the market goes up. And right now we see Smarty is neutral. Whenever it's neutral, do not trade. So let's wait for some more time to get it back to upward or downward trend, and let's take a trend. If you place a trade randomly when it's neutral, you tend to lose. The only scenario in which you lose the trade is when the market goes to neutral. So please ensure that this is not neutral. It is always positive or negative. And when I see Smarty, why I chose Smarty is because Smarty has a good profit rate, and also this method is working well for me in Smarty. And the Smarty shows the graph in a very easy way to understand. Let's compare and see the other currencies and how they work. Let's hit Bitcoin and go to asset, and it's almost the same, but the indication of upward and downward trend is a bit fickle. And here you see 16,500, which is a lesser amount compared to Smarty. So let's switch back to Smarty and let's see what the profit is. When we hit Smarty, I see you have a good rate. Here you see 18,100 in INR shown up. So that's the reason, because of a better margin being on a top place, I chose Smarty. And you can choose any currency you intend to, if you feel comfortable with that currency or want to withdraw using that currency. And right now let's take a trade. Now you see Smarty is in the buy mode. That means we need to take a trade in the sell mode when the line is coming down. Just before the line is coming down to the bottom, we need to be ready and take a trade in the downward direction. And just because this is a demo, I can even show you taking random trades of how you win, and you can be confident on winning each time you use this strategy. If you win 7 or 8 trades out of 10, still you are in the even and you can withdraw the profit for the day. So please ensure that you are within your limits and practice safe trading, and you can trade long term without risk. So let's see what's going on. And right now we see Smarty is neutral once again, so let's not trade. When you feel that it's not coming down, you had to go and check. And why it didn't come down is the market went back to neutral, and so we didn't place a trade. Let's wait till the market comes back either to buy or sell. Here we have the buy. So now we'll have to take the trade in the sell, that's downward direction. Let's fix this for 15 seconds. And now we are in such a way, we are in such a state that we can safely take the trade in the downward direction, sell direction, because the market seems to come down. But let's give it some time, because you see the indicator is coming from top to down. So let's give it some time so that we are safe. Right now it's coming down, down, down. So let's take a trade. In fact, I've taken the maximum number of trades randomly to show you that this strategy works. And yes, we will get success, because it definitely reached the downward part, and see there, it's a win-win-win. It's a win for all the 5 trades. All the 5 have been won. Because it's a demo account, I've done random trading. However, I advise you not to do random trading with real money, because who knows, if it switches back to neutral, you may lose. So each time when you deal with real money, be careful, and you can safely place trades this way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you, and I'm sure with practice you can definitely make daily profits. Thank you so much once again. Take care.